You need to hear this if you're a money seeker. Grab these 7 tips to turn a quick profit. Follow Money Smart Basics journey as we look at 7 proven tips to make money fast. Watch and find out. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Look in the description below for wealth-building tools and income opportunities. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 7 simple strategies that you can start using today to make more money. We're not talking about getting rich quick schemes. This is about making smart, sustainable changes that can have a real impact on your finances. Whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your income, these tips will give you actionable steps to take control of your money and start seeing results. Let's get right into it. One of the best ways to make more money is to have multiple streams of income. This means not relying solely on one job or one source of revenue. Diversifying your income can provide financial stability and open up new opportunities for growth. Think about it. If you lose your job, having a side hustle or some passive income can be a lifesaver. It can help you cover your expenses while you search for a new job or transition into a new career. Side hustles can range from freelance work, consulting, or even turning a hobby into a profitable venture. Plus, the more money you're bringing in, the faster you can reach your financial goals. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, additional income streams can accelerate your progress. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have multiple sources of income to rely on. Now, this doesn't mean you need to start 5 different businesses tomorrow. Start small, identify your skills and interests, and look for opportunities that align with them. Maybe you have a knack for graphic design, writing, or tutoring. These can all be turned into profitable side gigs. Maybe you pick up a freelance gig in your spare time. Freelancing offers flexibility and the chance to work on a variety of projects. You can find freelance opportunities on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even through networking within your industry. Or you start selling handmade goods online. Platforms like Etsy or eBay make it easy to reach a global audience. Whether you create jewelry, artwork, or home decor, there's a market for unique handmade items. This can be a fulfilling way to turn your creativity into cash. Even driving for a ride-sharing service a few hours a week can make a difference. Companies like Uber and Lyft offer flexible schedules, allowing you to earn extra money on your own time. This can be especially useful if you have a car and enjoy driving. The key is to diversify your income sources and create a safety net for yourself. By having multiple streams of income, you reduce the risk of financial instability. If one source dries up, you still have others to fall back on. This approach not only provides financial security, but also opens up new avenues for personal and professional growth. So start exploring different ways to increase your income today and build a more secure financial future for yourself. This one might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how much money people waste on things they don't even need. It's easy to overlook the small expenses that add up over time. A coffee here, a snack there, and suddenly, a significant portion of your income is gone. And I get it. It's easy to get caught up in lifestyle creep. You start earning more, and you feel like you deserve to treat yourself. Maybe it's a new gadget, a fancy dinner, or a designer outfit. These little luxuries can quickly become regular expenses. You get a raise, you start spending more, and before you know it, you're living paycheck to paycheck again. It's a common trap that many fall into. The excitement of a higher income can cloud your judgment, leading to impulsive spending. The first step is to track your spending for a month. This might seem tedious, but it's crucial. By understanding where your money goes, you can make informed decisions. Use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even just a notebook, whatever works for you. The key is consistency. Record every expense, no matter how small. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits. Once you see where your money is going, you can start identifying areas to cut back. Look for patterns. Are you spending too much on dining out? Are there subscriptions you rarely use? Maybe it's eating out less. Cooking at home can be both healthier and more cost-effective. Plan your meals, make a shopping list, and stick to it. You'll be amazed at how much you can save by preparing your own food. Canceling subscriptions you don't use is another great way to cut costs. Many of us sign up for services and forget about them. Review your bank statements and identify any recurring charges. If you haven't used a service in the past month, consider canceling it or finding a cheaper cell phone plan. With so many options available, it's worth shopping around. Compare different plans and see if you can get a better deal. Sometimes a simple phone call to your provider can result in significant savings. Every little bit adds up, and you might be surprised by how much you can save. Small changes in your spending habits can lead to big results. It's all about being mindful and making conscious choices. Over time, these savings can accumulate, giving you more financial freedom and peace of mind. Setting financial goals can also help you stay on track, whether it's saving for a vacation, building an emergency fund, or planning for retirement. Having clear objectives can motivate you to cut unnecessary expenses. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, but about making smarter choices. By cutting unnecessary expenses, you can enjoy a more secure and fulfilling financial future. Celebrate your milestones and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with financial stability. The best investment you can make is in yourself. By investing in your education, skills, and personal development, you increase your earning potential. This could mean taking a course to learn a new skill, attending industry conferences, or even just reading books and listening to podcasts related to your field. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more valuable you make yourself, the more you can command in the job market. And it doesn't have to be expensive. There are tons of free online resources available, so there's no excuse not to invest in your future. Chapter 4. Start a budget. I know. Budgeting isn't exactly the most exciting topic, but trust me, it's one of the most important things you can do to manage your money effectively. A budget gives you a clear picture of your income and expenses, so you can see where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. It also helps you identify areas where you can potentially save more money. There are tons of different budgeting methods out there, so find one that works for you and stick with it. The key is to be consistent and make budgeting a habit. Chapter 5. Taxes are inevitable, but there are ways to minimize your tax burden and keep more of your hard-earned money. There are a ton of different tax deductions and credits available, and you might be surprised by what you qualify for. For example, if you're self-employed, you can deduct expenses related to your business, like your home office, supplies, and travel. And if you're investing in your education, you might be able to deduct those expenses as well. It's always a good idea to consult with a tax professional to make sure you're taking advantage of all the deductions and credits you're eligible for. Chapter 6. One of the easiest ways to build wealth over time is to automate your savings. Set up a system where a certain percentage of your paycheck is automatically transferred to your savings account each month. You can even set up automatic transfers to your investment accounts as well. The beauty of automation is that you don't have to think about it. The money is saved or invested before you even have a chance to spend it. It's like paying your future self first. Start small if you need to, and gradually increase the amount you're saving over time. Chapter 7. You'd be surprised how much you can save simply by negotiating better deals. Negotiation is a powerful tool that can significantly impact your financial well-being. It's not just about haggling for a lower price, it's about understanding your worth and leveraging it to get the best possible outcome. This applies to everything from your bills to your salary. Whether you're dealing with monthly expenses or discussing your compensation package, the principles of negotiation remain the same. It's about being informed, assertive, and strategic. Don't be afraid to call your service providers and ask for a lower rate on your cable, internet, or phone bill. Many companies have retention departments specifically designed to keep customers from leaving, and they often have the authority to offer discounts or better deals. It's a simple phone call that could save you hundreds of dollars a year. The same goes for your credit card interest rates. If you've been a loyal customer and have a good payment history, you have a strong case for requesting a lower rate. Credit card companies want to keep your business, and they may be more flexible than you think. The worst they can say is no, and you might be surprised by how often they're willing to work with you. Even a small reduction in your interest rate can lead to significant savings over time. It's worth the effort to make that call and see what they can do for you. When it comes to your salary, do your research and come prepared with data to support your request. Look up industry standards, average salaries for your position, and any other relevant information that can strengthen your case. The more prepared you are, the more confident you'll feel during the negotiation. Be confident and professional, and don't be afraid to walk away if you're not getting what you deserve. Remember, negotiation is a two-way street. It's about finding a mutually beneficial agreement. If the terms aren't right for you, it's okay to seek opportunities elsewhere. Your skills and experience have value, and you deserve to be compensated fairly for them. Negotiation isn't limited to bills and salaries. It extends to many areas of life, such as buying a car, purchasing a home, or even shopping at a market. In each of these scenarios, being prepared and knowing your worth can lead to better deals and more favorable terms. The key to successful negotiation is to remain calm, be respectful, and stay focused on your goals. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small they may seem. Each successful negotiation builds your confidence and sets the stage for future successes. So take the initiative, make that call, and start negotiating better deals today. There you have it, 7 simple strategies to make more money today. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick, it's about making smart, sustainable changes that will benefit you in the long run. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your financial situation improve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. This is gonna blow your mind. Ready to boost your income? Start offering your expertise online. It's easier than you think. Drop a comment on which tip you found most helpful. And check out our other videos for more money-making strategies. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.